and welcome to Despina's Dishes. Today I'm going to show you how to make koulouri. Koulouri is a sesame bread that can be presented as a ring, plaited or a loaf. Historically, koulouri can be traced back to ancient times. It was originally served to slaves and became a common street food across the Byzantine Empire. These days, koulouri is a common sight in many Mediterranean cities as citizens go about their morning ritual. Because my dough for my koulouri is the same as my flour warners, I'm going to show you how to make this recipe from my mum's house.
To make koulouri, you will need the following ingredients. You can adjust the amounts according to your own needs. For the dough, you will need 3 kilos or about 6.5 pounds of plain flour, preferably unbleached, half a cup of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 10 teaspoons of dry yeast, and 5 tablespoons of a spice mix containing 1.5 teaspoons of mastic, also known as Arabic gum, not gum Arabic, finely grind with a mortar and pestle, 6 cloves finely ground, 3 or 4 teaspoons of anise seed finely ground, and 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon finely ground. You'll also need 2 litres or about 68 fluid ounces of milk, lukewarm. You can also replace a cup or so with cream, and 2 cups of vegetable oil or peanut oil. To make the dough, you can use a mixer, but I'll show you the old-fashioned way. Add all the dry dough ingredients to a tub and mix them well. Then add the lukewarm milk and combine it all to turn into a soft dough. When the dough starts to take shape, knead it well. You may find this is more comfortable by placing the tub on a chair. Add the oil slowly to the dough. I'm showing you a mixer here, which is a lot easier. Then pat the dough into a nice round shape. Drape a tea towel over it and set it aside in a warm, dry location to rise. After the dough has risen, punch it gently and knead the dough to remove the gas bubbles produced by the yeast. This will take a few minutes. Keep going until the dough is smooth and springy. Cut off a piece and shape it into a small loaf. Roll the loaf in the sesame seeds. Then score it across the top. Place the loaf on a baking tray. Pop it in the oven at a moderate heat for approximately half an hour or until golden brown. Koulouri can be served fresh out of the oven, eaten cold later, or reheated. My favourite way to eat koulouri is toasted with a generous spread of butter. Enjoy, gali oreksi, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.